Hi, Kale. You're on video. What do you have to say today?
Taco.
Taco? Well, Happy Canada Day.
No.
No? Why not?
Ah.
Tell the kids something out there. What do you have to say today? What do you think?
Nothing.
You think nothing? No? Do you have any good stories to tell?
No.
No? Do you like your new house?
No.
No. Do you like your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love your mommy?
Yeah. I love Jeffy. I love Jeffy.
Oh. Oh no, here come the faces.